on the Ultimate World Cruise has been an intense experience. It's been life-changing. I've learned so much about myself. 4 years ago, I published a book. I had a legitimate mental breakdown in 2017, and I decided to write all my fantastic childhood memories and life stories. And I put it in a book called Leave Me Alone, and it's one of my proudest things I've ever done. So I put in some bookmarks, and there's a library up on deck 12, and I want to go and leave my book on the Ultimate World Cruise. I did have to cut off the bottom of all the bookmarks because they were very inappropriate. This book is really open, honest, and raw, and it's got the cutest photos of me when I'm, oh my God, I'm like so cute. What happened? What went wrong? I really want the people on the Ultimate World Cruise to know just how introverted and socially terrible I am. And this book explains why I was the way I was for the last 16 days. I decided to write some cute notes on the bookmarks and hide a stack of them in different books around the library. I want passengers to find me flipping them the bird, you know, with the World's Sexiest Man 2024 written on a piece of paper. To everyone on the Ultimate World Cruise, including the crew, you have made this time the most memorable, the most intense, the most overwhelming, the most fantastic, the most hilarious. I have laughed and I have cried, and I hope that you enjoy this book.